Let's say you're post-operative day 1 or day 2. You just had some kind of operation where you have fluid leakage or any kind of concern. You can always call that number. Now, if you think it's an emergency, call that number and a Dasso plastic surgery medical professional will answer the phone and direct you on your next set of instructions. We'll be able to triage everything over the phone, have a conversation, and figure out what's the appropriate next step. In most cases, after these elective procedures here at Dasso Plastic Surgery, most of your issues after the surgery can be triaged over the phone, and then we'll see you in the office the next day. However, in the very, very extremely rare event where there is a true emergency, the medical professional on the phone will instruct you to call 911. In that event, you can expect the ambulance or the fire department to come to your home, your hotel, wherever you're residing at the time, and you will likely be escorted to the hospital. The most important thing in that extremely rare event is to keep us informed at Dasso Plastic Surgery of your progression. That way we can be involved and help any way that we can every step of the way. So it's very important to remember in that discharge paperwork, you will get an emergency number. For any kind of issues, please call that number and we will help triage the next step for you. If you have any kind of questions or concerns during normal office hours, please call the office and we will have a medical professional get in touch with you and get a quick evaluation to figure out exactly what's happening and to help figure out the next step. So let's say you do call 911 in an emergency situation prior to speaking to a Dasso professional. Then the fire department or the ambulance comes and you end up in the hospital. Well, of course, you'll incur a hefty bill. They will cut off all of your garments, and whether it's a tummy tuck, BBL, this can affect your results. The important thing is to call that Dasso Plastic Surgery emergent line to help triage any questions or concerns you may have to avoid that situation. Because in many, many instances, 99+%, but things can be triaged over the phone and we can see you in the office the next day without having to go to the emergency room.